Today is the day I started my journey here on YouTube a year ago, so here's a little happiness sharing, and I'm calling it Creme Day Delight. I started off by making strawberry jelly by following the instructions. I split the pack into two halves. I'll tell you what I did with the other half in a bit. I'm gonna let it set in these cups for 30 minutes in the chiller section of my fridge, and that's one layer done. Next off, we'll grind about 20 pieces of these Lotus Biscoff biscuits into a fine powder. Just like that. And a cube of softened butter to go with it. And that's our second layer. For the third layer, I've taken half a cup of chilled whipping cream, beating it for 5 to 7 minutes until it's firm and stable. Flavoring it with a few drops of vanilla and about 50 ml of sweetened condensed milk, which you can absolutely skip if you want to go sugar-free here. The jelly is all set and firm, and now let's get started with getting it all together. Don't we all love those 3 to 5 ingredient, no baking desserts that just get done with the minimum effort and yet are delicious? Well, this is one such dessert. Well, I'm using our good old sandwich bag for a piping bag. I wanted to use the remaining pack of the jelly for the top layer, but had a little mishap. So I went ahead with plan B and decorated with a lotus biscuit and a little bit of crumble of red velvet cupcakes, which I happen to have. You can easily use a strawberry slice to add some color. And there, serve it chilled to your guests, your family, or yourself, and be delighted. See ya!